Hi, my name is Elisa, and I am the creator of Teacher Noor, a platform dedicated to helping teachers celebrate diversity in their classrooms. I took Asia's course in the summer of 2022, and since then I have gotten more serious about my brand and my business, and the skills that I learned and the shortcuts and the techniques and everything that I learned in her course, I have applied to my own Teachers Pay Teachers shop. And although I'm not creating math resources yet, they were extremely helpful. A lot of times when you take courses, they don't truly tell you like the how. And Asia shows you step by step how to create these resources that you can sell for yourself in your own Teachers Pay Teachers or just create for your classroom. And it is, I'm not just saying this because I am a fan of Asia, but I am saying this because I truly believe in her product. She did a phenomenal job in her course, and I would highly recommend her course to anyone. If they're looking for especially a math course to take, Asia's is a great course to take. So again, you can check out my Teachers Pay Teachers on Teacher Noor and see what I've created, and that was through the help of Asia's. So if you are on the fence about whether to take her course or not, this is your sign to go ahead and take the course. It's truly a great course, and I would highly recommend it.